Hello and good morning. This is Amber with Chiloquin Unique. I have a fun little video um, solving a problem that I was having with my silhouette in the very beginning. Uh, I've never used a silhouette machine. I just got it like maybe 3 days ago. And I bought it because one, it will cut longer than 24 inches. Two, it is 15 inches wide. Three, it's supposed to be better at print and cut. So I had attempted to conquer print and cut quickly because I had tried to develop a way with Cricut to make my machine print and cut, and was never successful. It was just always just a little too much off. It just looked bad every time. So here we are in Silhouette Studio, which I started using before I had a Silhouette because I did a lot of sublimation. And Silhouette Studio is really friendly to printing for my big wide format printer. Lets you print whatever you'd like to print, which is amazing. It has some pretty good aspects to sizing, offsets. The trace feature was amazing. The free program itself was just absolutely awesome. So I did buy the business edition because I am now able with this business edition to export my files off of here, off of this program, onto my computer and then put them wherever I need to. That is amazing as well. Cricut needs to get on board with this. They don't allow you to save outside of their program. They need to get on board with that. So what I'm going to show you is I have a bunch of stickers, and no, I don't own the rights to any of these. These are stickers I'm making for my husband. So it's what he's into. He likes the Scooby-Doo, he loves Dragon Ball Z, or just Dragon Ball and Dragon Ball Z, you know, all the different GT, all of the different variants of the Dragon Ball. So we have Punisher, Dragon Ball, Scoobies, okay? He was feeling kind of left out because I was making a bunch of stickers for the kids, and he's a sticker nut. So, here we are. I've printed this out, and I'll show you. There it is. And I'm going to put a layer of laminate over it, and so I have a piece of cardstock behind it, just in the pouch, just because I got tired of working with just that single layer. It moves around, I can get something under it, so I just opened the pouch, slid this and the cardstock underneath of it into the pouch quickly, so as to not get any lint or anything, and there we go. So I'm going to laminate that, and then I'm going to take it over to my Silhouette machine. So I'm going to put this in the laminator right now. And so while that's feeding through, I just wanted to give you a little shout out about that Silhouette, that you have an amazing program that even Cricut users can use, who are trying to do things outside of what Cricut does. One second. I don't want this to fall on the floor. You're going to have to excuse my messy work table because this is just plain while I'm waiting for supplies to come in for these other orders. Beautiful, look at that. And this is the 3mm lamination. Yep, I need to get my workspace right because I was starting way too many projects at once. Set you up here. I'm going to show you, just stay with me. It's literally the most amazing thing I've ever, like the quickest fix I've ever seen that I didn't know. So I was trying so hard to, here, so what I'm doing, I'm just going to cut down here where it's connected, because I got to get my cardstock out of there. But I was trying so hard to get this thing to work, and I couldn't get it to register a single registration mark. It was crazy. It was 3 hours of unloading, reloading, repositioning. It was insane. And I was like, oh my gosh, buyer's remorse. This thing doesn't work either, is what I was thinking. And yeah, that was pretty hectic. I almost cried because this is a lot of money for this machine. I think with the other blades that I bought and this thing, it was like $500. Who has $500 to waste? Because I don't. I am a super small business. Just me, myself, and I. My husband supports me financially because he's a good husband. But yeah. And then you just take it apart, and I can use this for another project. And here's my cardstock. So if you want to like do that pouch thing because you have like cats everywhere, yeah, that works. You just have to work quickly and don't let it leave, or don't let it sit in the air. It's not really about cleaning your house when you have cats. It's just inevitable that their hair is going to be quite literally everywhere. Okay, here's the problem. If you're watching this, it's probably the problem you're having. You're going to load your machine. Okay. Number one, there's a little ridge right here. And this is supposed to be your bump stop, which is crazy because it's so small. And I think I need to develop some other kind of bump stop because that's insanely small. So I make sure it's all the way up into this little ridge right here. And load it. Okay. Then you come into the place, this is where you're going to start having problems, right? So I'm going to send it, and watch what I do. You lift it, and that's it. Fixes it. So apparently, because these mats are so floppy, this first registration mark warps in the way it's being seen. And all you do is just lift the tail of your mat when it's starting its read, and boom, problem fixed. I mean, if you have bad registration marks or you're not lining up your mat right, that's obviously you. But if you are doing everything correctly, precisely, lift up your mat at the tail and problem fixed. So I thought I wanted to share that with you. Don't own any of these. These are just for the husband. But yeah, give it a try. Let me know if it worked for you. And have a great day. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys take care.